Right now we're working on installing opening the holes, so we're going to be able to install the hitch connector, but that is very hard to do because that bumper is iron, so we gotta work hard to get that through. We have the base here, we're not opening the hole, we have all the screws, so all the connections are open to connect everything as we should. So I'm glad we have everything here and we're doing the installation. So as soon as that base is finally set up, I will continue reporting on the progress. Holes ready. So now it's time to do some painting just to cover the bumper and avoid further damage from rust. A little bit of black paint goes a long way, and now it's perfect. So we're gonna let it dry and then we'll install the base. Okay, right now we're gonna proceed to install the cable. We're gonna allocate it inside here, which is a perfect vase because it's internal and the space does already exist. So this is going to be, I consider it an easy install. As you guys can see, there's a huge hole here, and for what I can see, yes, there's the grip we need for this. So we're gonna see how it goes to do this installation, and we'll continue when it's done. Right, so now we already install the cable plug inside the cable bay, and as you can see, it's tight and perfect. It was like meant to be there from the very beginning, so we're very happy. This is a done task that we completed, that we have it on the books, and we're going to move next to the next task to continue more progress on Yaryis. Well done. Okay, now that the vase is installed, we're going to proceed on installing this puppy here. We're going to tie it down, and we're going to make sure it's safe and connected so we can finish up this job right away. We already connected all the cables with the exception of the red and the black, because each cable, each red and black means something different with the brake lights and with the hinge. So we're gonna do a test. Okay, so we're gonna run the test. We're gonna see if the lights works.
to create